Hi, I'm Carlo Eugeni, Chairman of the Intersteno Scientific Committee and lecturer at the University of Leeds. This year, within the Scientific Committee of the International Symposium on Live Subtitling and Accessibility, we have decided to dedicate a whole session to new contexts of live accessibility. The first contribution is by Cesar Portillo from the University of West London. Cesar is a sound engineer and has worked with a multidisciplinary team of experts to provide new frontier audio introductions for blind and partially sighted audiences. While trying to find a solution to their need for a less intrusive and more communicative access to cinematic products, Cesar describes such innovative sound introductions which capitalize on two elements: increasing the immersive sound experience during the viewing of a film and decreasing the amount of audio description to what such an amplified sound experience cannot convey or make predictable. Always on audio description, Ana Julio Pirrochi Garcia, CEO of the Mexican TraduSound Audiovisual Accessibility, explains how live events organizers do not normally provide live subtitles in Brazil because of the general false belief that deaf and hard of hearing people there can equally understand sign language interpretation and intralingual subtitling. Despite such false beliefs, it seems that there is an increasing attention for audio description, which our company was able to provide remotely and live. In her talk, Ana Julia shows concrete material used to remotely audio describe 3 live online broadcasts, both on the internet and on the radio. The last speaker of the panel is Aleksandra Orzechowska from the University of Warsaw. Aleksandra talks of a peculiar aspect of accessibility, the role of interlingual subtitles in the adaptation of classical opera plays. Using a number of examples from various libretti translations, she depicts how subtitles are also adapted transcreatively to avoid changing the meaning of the original libretto, while adapting it to a stage situation which is different in terms of space and time compared to the original version. Aleksandra also shows how the development of technology affects even such traditional genres as opera, thus making it more accessible. I am sure you will enjoy these presentations. In case you have questions, let me remind you that you can ask them through the dedicated YouTube function. Speakers will be online for the 2 days of the symposium and will try to answer as soon as they can.